Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Crystal Reports is a popular business intelligence application used to design and generate reports from a wide range of data sources. While Crystal Reports is primarily a Windows-based application, you can integrate it with Java applications using the Crystal Reports Java SDK. Below is a comprehensive tutorial on how to use Crystal Reports with Java, along with a sample code example. ### Prerequisites. 1. Crystal Reports installed. Make sure you have Crystal Reports installed on your machine. 2. Java Development Kit, JDK. Ensure that you have JDK installed. Java 8 or higher is recommended. 3. Java IDE. You can use any IDE like Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, or NetBeans. 4. JDBC driver. Depending on your database, you need the appropriate JDBC driver. ### Step 1. Creating a report in Crystal Reports. 1. Open Crystal Reports and create a new report. 2. Choose a data source, connect to your database, example MySQL, Oracle, etc., and select the tables/fields you want to include in the report. 3. Design your report, drag and drop fields onto the report and format it as needed. 4. Save the report. Save the report with a .rpt extension, example sample report.rpt. ### Step 2. Setting up your Java project. 1. Create a new Java project in your chosen IDE. 2. Add Crystal Reports jar files to your project. You can find these files in the Crystal Reports installation directory. crystaldecisions.reportengine.dll, crystaldecisions.sdk.exa.reportengine.dll, crystaldecisions.sdk.exa.datalayer.dll, crystaldecisions.common.dll. You might need to use a tool like jar2exe, https://www.jar2exe.com, to convert the DLLs to jar files if you cannot find the Java SDK. 3. Add JDBC driver. If you are using a database like MySQL, download the MySQL JDBC driver, example MySQL connector javax.x.xx.jar, and add it to your project's class path. ### Step 3. Sample code to generate a Crystal report. Here's an example of how to generate a Crystal report in Java. ### Step 4. Running the example. 1. Update the connection details and paths in the code above. 2. Compile and run the code in your Java IDE. 3. If everything is set up correctly, it will generate a PDF report from the specified Crystal report template. ### Conclusion. This tutorial provided an overview of how to use Crystal Reports with Java. You learned how to create a report, set up a Java project, and generate a report programmatically. You can extend this example by adding more parameters, refining the report, or exporting to different formats like Excel or HTML. ### Additional resources. SAP Crystal Reports documentation, https://help.sap.com/viewer/product/SAP_crystal_report/2020/n-us. JDBC documentation, https://docs.oracle.com/javaz/8/docs/technotest/guide/jdbc. Java SE documentation, https://docs.oracle.com/javaz/8/docs. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further clarification.